Okay.
What kind is it?
OTIS Series 1.
That's right.
Oh, we got the right car.
Okay.
This is a hospital-sized elevator installed in 2001.
Okay. Come right back down.
Yep. Okay. 4. This is car number 2. What a motor. Go down to 1R. I love Series 1. This one doesn't have the annoying fan, but the fan is turned off. So we can get a good here in the motor. It's a nice elevator. There's your card reader, Series 1 fixtures, phone up there. There's your inspection, CHI Health, St. Elizabeth, fornicator, OTIS, elevator number 2, capacity 4,500 pounds. Watch, both doors are open. See, it both open. This one has a good motor. This one has a good motor. Because I want to get the annoying fan.
Okay. Is that it?
Oh,
Yeah, same number.
we got the same car. I want to set it up at 3. These doors kind of like one, it's a hospital-sized door.
Yeah, well, because it's at a hospital.
Size, hospital-sized door. It's an OTIS Series 1. Look at this. It's a whole lobby panel. Wait for the motor stops. Okay, good. 4. One. B, had to press a button. And this is just like the other one with the rear door, but this one doesn't have the rear door. Look at the ceiling. Look at the ceiling. Who you see? Hi. These are the fixtures. Series 1 fixtures. OTIS. Fornicator. OTIS. Car number, elevator number 1. 4,500. There goes the other elevator car. That indicator kind of like a skyscraper. This one has a number card reader too. All right. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, watch it close. Look at the bottom. There you go.
There it goes.
And that's it.
And that is it.
Okay. See, thanks again.
Thank you for, stay tuned for the June 8th for the parking garage.
Okay. Press up.